Nama Buddhaya, Theruvan Saranai, Happy Vesak. And we are very delighted, and it's a great pleasure to be in Mumbai for the Vesak celebrations on May 1st. We were invited for a program at Vasai to conduct a meditation retreat and also to learn Dhamma throughout the day and conclude the program with a special puja in a stupa called Nalasopara stupa. The program will commence at 7:30 a.m. by observing 8 precepts with the refuge of the Noble Triple Gems. And then a Dhamma sermon will be conducted. After the Dhamma sermon, you will get a short break and then a meditation session will be conducted. Then a Q&A. You can ask questions from Bhantes. You can ask questions. And then at 11 o'clock, we will do Sambuddha Puja by remembering and recalling the Buddha's birth, enlightenment and the passing away. We will make offerings in the morning, in the afternoon and also in the evening. After lunch, we will be doing a chanting. We will be chanting the Mahamangala Sutta, Ratana Sutta, Karanimetta Sutta in Pali and Hindi both, and also in English. At the same time, you should also feel happy that even lay people will be preaching Dhamma. Skillful lay people who have learned Dhamma for a long time under the guidance of monks. Then after the program, after 3 p.m., we will be heading to Nalasopara stupa. This stupa, earlier this stupa was enshrined with the parts of the Buddha's alms bowl. And there were Buddha statues of the past Buddhas. And some of those relics, alms bowl particles, were gifted to Sri Lanka. Still we are venerating them in Colombo at Vidyodaya Pirivana. So knowing all these things, knowing the history of this stupa, on a Vesak full moon Poya day, you are so fortunate. There is a great stupa near to your house. There is a great stupa near to your city, in the city of Mumbai, near Vasai. It won't be more than 2 hours distance. It won't be more than, you would not have to travel more than 2-3 hours. On a Vesak full moon Poya day, you can dedicate your life because a Buddha was born. He became enlightened and he ended all his sufferings on a Vesak full moon Poya day. Even the physical pains, he abandoned all that on a Vesak full moon Poya day. So if you wish to overcome suffering, if you are really serious about it, and if you are a disciple of a Buddha, if you have kept the Buddha as a teacher for your life, and if you have gone for refuge for his teachings, and if you know that these teachings were protected by the Sangha, why not you celebrate Vesak? The Buddha's birth took place on Vesak full moon Poya day. The Buddha's great enlightenment took place in a Vesak full moon Poya day. And he ended all his sufferings on a Vesak full moon Poya day. He was mindfully born, and he mindfully became enlightened, and he mindfully passed away. So when you dedicate your life for a special program like this and take part in these programs, your life can change overnight. Because the teachings are so powerful, the teachings are well taught. The moment you apply, you get results. These teachings has a great quality to give results in this very life. This is timeless. These teachings are timeless. We can invite others to come and join. That's why we are inviting you. So though I was also invited for this program, I too invite you all to take part in this program. And this Dhamma is to be seen by yourself. And only according to your wisdom, for your capacity, you can realize this Dhamma. But we do not know when we will realize, but do not delay. There's a chance for you. Bhantes are coming from Sri Lanka, and there'll be more virtuous devotees joining for this program. It'll be a great day, offering flowers, thousands of flowers, over 500 diyas. And it's a great gathering by the Buddhist people in Mumbai. So I too invite you all. Though I was invited for the program, I too invite you all to take part in this program for the meditation and the retreat in the morning until 3 p.m. and to take part in the evening puja. May you too give dana on the Vesak full moon Poya day. May you take part in these offerings and may you join for this program with a compassionate heart, with a heart of loving kindness, with a faithful heart, with the hope of going for refuge to Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, and also applying the teachings for your lives, and also have a great hope and fulfill our wishes by gaining merit and by developing our wisdom and by developing in the Buddha's great teachings and developing faith in the Buddha, and to make all these great opportunities to attain Nibbana in this Gautama Buddha's dispensation. Hope to see you for the Vesak celebrations. Namo Buddhaya.